What are you doing, Rusty? He's grunting back there.
Neil Young. My sister sent me an article from the newspaper in Toronto. We grew up a few blocks away from Neil Young.
No way! Oh my gosh.
I didn't know him, of course, you know, when we were really young. But he grew up on the very next street, right, literally.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Someday
that's a story.
I'll say, hey, do you remember? He won't remember, of course. We didn't know each other.
No, of course not, but, you know, still. He was a kid in the neighborhood. That's pretty wild.
Yeah, he was.
That is pretty wild. And I miss him. Every time he comes to Edmonton, I hear about it after. He's been through Edmonton every single time.
Yeah.
Every single time, folks.
I saw him about 10 years ago, I think.
Yeah.
He did a great show.
Gordon Lightfoot's another fave, and he's coming soon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I never met Gordon Lightfoot, but I do have his autograph.
Nice.
Because when I lived in Toronto, I was the librarian at the Toronto Folk Guild, and he signed out a library record.
Mm-hmm.
And so I stole cut the card because it has his autograph on it.
Sweet. Oh, man. When I look at Gordon Lightfoot, he reminds me so much of my father. Oh, my goodness.
Really?
There's quite a resemblance between the two of them.
Wow.
I need to get one of these lights for my music stand. Okay.
Yeah, I found this one in the garage sale, actually.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to confirm that this is E minor.
I'll play all the strings a little slower.
Okay, thank you.
You have an amazing voice. Really, really good.
Thank you, Ma.
You do.
Thank you so much.
One thing I'm going to comment on that will help you.